Sound changed my life. The gentle shifts that happen in each session put me on a path towards joyful living. It revealed my purpose. When I decided to learn how to help others with sound, the universe connected me with some of the best and most informed teachers practicing today. And as sound becomes more recognized as a healing modality, the noise of online crash courses have become overwhelming. In creating Sound School, I went to those experts in the field and developed a learning community to cut through that noise. How can sound help mold your purpose and transform the lives of the people in your universe?